Hi, this is Swatika. I'm the Business Development Manager at TeamViewer.
My name is Tobias and I'm responsible for TeamViewer's channel business in Central and Eastern Europe.
At TeamViewer, we empower people to help people through secure, easy-to-use technology that connects anyone, anything, anywhere, anytime. It doesn't matter what kind of operating system, what kind of form factor, or even where the user is. We are able to connect everyone and everything. TeamViewer is a comprehensive remote access, remote control, and remote support solution that works with every desktop and mobile platform, including Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. TeamViewer essentially lets you to remote into the computers or mobile devices located anywhere in the world and use them as though you were there. Plus, you can remotely connect to servers, commercial-grade machines, and IoT devices from anywhere at any time through our secure global remote access network. In September of 2020, TeamViewer partnered with Microsoft Teams to bring in the TeamViewer's remote connectivity solution to the platform. So the TeamViewer integration with Microsoft Teams extends the platform's collaboration capabilities beyond traditional chat, VoIP, and video calls with remote support and remote control. The main use cases for the integrated product that we have are augmented reality-based remote support. So now you can remotely connect from within Microsoft Teams and use the see what they see mode to guide your frontline workers or on-site engineers with on-screen virtual pointers for faster issue resolution. With 3D object tracking, you can place spatial markers that stick to the real-world object, highlight things, and even add text annotations in the live video stream that your service technician or customer shows you through their mobile device camera or smart glasses. There is absolutely no work on which lever to pull, which wire to connect, or even which button to push, because the remote support expert can exactly see what you see and help you to solve the issue with step-by-step visual support. So the second use case we have for the integrated product is empowering project teams. You can instantly share remote access to the devices and environments that needed to develop, test, or demo products directly from Microsoft Teams console. Microsoft Teams is a hub that encapsulates all informations and tools required by a team working on a specific product, project, or operational service. TeamViewer extends the tools and artifacts that teams can use within the Microsoft Teams channels by allowing them to share access to remote environments and resources through the extra tabs that are added to the channel. These could be QA devices that are needed to test a product. It could be a demo environments for highlighting a product feature, or it could be various kinds of devices for development environment. TeamViewer removes any overhead for managing access through different systems and allows seamless and intuitive experience within Microsoft Teams.
Last but not least, the use case of built-in IT support. So you can connect to your customer, co-worker, or partner devices with TeamViewer remote access directly from Microsoft Teams channels. Resolve issues faster and remotely control devices as though you were there in person. With the TeamViewer dashboard for IT admins, that includes connection history, active request status, and presence information, IT admins can work efficiently without having to leave Teams. So, what are the key benefits for you as a partner? First of all, provide clear added value to your customers. Integrating TeamViewer functionality is straightforward and easy to activate. So, if you want to learn more about our integrations, go to our website, reach out to your point of contact at ALSO, or just get started right away by downloading our integrated app from Microsoft Commercial Marketplace or downloaded it directly from the Teams App Store located at the bottom right corner on your Microsoft Teams screen. Simply type in TeamViewer and you're good to go.